Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn how to navigate to the last edit location in PyCharm. Here we are going to add one new function, so I'll go to the module 1 and let me copy this function. Then below this I will put this function and just rename it to module 3, and in the print statement I'm just going to change it to module 3. Now let's save it. I'll close it, and now I'm in main code. From here, if I wanted to go back to the last edit location, I will press Ctrl Shift backspace, and this will bring me to the last edit location. Let's close it, and if I wanted to perform this from menu, navigate, and here I have the option to last edit location. Click on it. This will take us to the last edit location. Thanks for watching.